J-N-I-N-E.
I'm on one, yeah. Fuck it, I'm on one. Yeah, I said I'm on one. Fuck it, I'm on one.
Welcome to Korea.
I'm at my uncle's place right now. We're gonna go pick some rice. All of it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's so. Oh my god.
Oh, 너무 예뻐.
He like licked this thing. 기도해?
Missy, can you put me down?
기도? 기도해?
Can you put me down?
UPS truck. Yeah.
좀 그만 와라.
Please stop raining.
Wait a second here. Did I just see Boxman? Alright. I understand that it's raining a lot, but putting a box on top of your head? I don't know. You tell me.
That guy. He's covering himself in the box. Only in Korea, guys.
On another note, let's go back. I don't know about you guys, but in Korea, if someone's waving their hand like that, usually means someone smells. Someone smells. It ain't me! Promise that, it ain't me. Don't look at me.
Oh,
It's raining a lot.
진짜 많이
So I've never ridden a bike before, or even driven one. This is my first time. Hey guys.
천천히 더 당겨 무거워. 쭉 반대쪽 조심하고. 오케이 쭉. 고. 천천히 브레이크 천천히.
Welcome to Korea! This is fun! Swing and a miss. One strike.
Oh shit.
Two strike. Three strike, you're out.
오 굿샷. 어? 까비.
You chillin' by the bar. Why don't you grab your girls and come chill with a star? He up in VIP, drinks on weed, swag on tight with a gang.
Crazy boy.
Go home. Gotta lock all the password.
I can't win, I can't reign, I will never
If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and add it to your favorites down below. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to put it down below in the doobly-doo. Down there. Thanks for the love and support. I really appreciate it. If this video entertained you or cheered you up in any way, let me know. To wrap it up, thanks for your love and support. See ya.
without you.